What's up? Today we checking out the app of the week, Yumly. If you're looking for a way to improve your cooking skills, to sharpen your culinary art, this is the app that you need. And we in it, we ready to go, got our aprons on, and I'm just gonna dive in and tell you exactly why I love this app. First, we're going to start off with the Explore tab. You're going to find your popular, trending now, your seasonal, your quick and easy, kid-friendly diets. Matter of fact, let's go to diets. Tap on vegan if that's what what you prefer. And we got vegan stuff. We got vegetarian. We got everything. All right, so right across from diets, we got courses. Let's click on that and see what we got. You got soups, dishes, side dishes. We even got cocktails. So previously you would have to download an app on your phone if you were trying to mix drinks, but we got everything right here. You be able to get your drink on while you cooking it up, whipping it up, however you want to put it. Let's check out main dishes. So we're gonna actually find a recipe that we haven't made, something easy, something we haven't had. So grilled cheese hot dog, why not? 4 out of 5 stars. And the thing I love about this app, you can actually schedule what time you would like to eat. So tomorrow I'm gonna whip up this dish. I'm gonna set my time for 4 p.m. So it's gonna give me my prep time, my cook time, and my eat time. So you grant the access. It goes to your calendar and then reminds you when you need to actually start cooking. Can't get no better than that. All right, so we're also going to dive into nutrition because, some people care about the nutrition. They want to see the carbs and calories and all that stuff, sodium, potassium, all that, scientific stuff. Then we got the reviews. The reviews, this is going to help you decide whether or not you really want to make this dish. And, people give their opinion. You basically go off of that, we got a 1 star, but, we ain't curved by that. We still going to go ahead and make this dish. We sticking to the game plan. Then we got related items. So, something might catch our eye. But like I said, we just going to go ahead and stick to the plan. All right, next, we're going to go ahead and select our ingredients by hitting the plus sign. And as you see, you click on shopping list. It'll take you to your actual shopping list, what you need to get when you go to the store. You also can click on buy, which will pull up an actual website called Instacart. And from Instacart, you can find stores in your area that will deliver to your house. Like, you can't get no more easier. And this is a list of stores in my area that, I can actually click on this, get the item sent to me. So, too easy. All right. Now we're on trending now. Just wanted to show you guys what else they have to offer as far as recipes, everything that's trending, Let's check out popular items. Scroll down a little bit. And you definitely got to be careful with this app, because if you mess around and go broke or end up on 600-pound life, you know what I'm saying? Messing with this app, because you'll find some good stuff on here. Next, search. I'm going to search a recipe that I like to make just to see how other people are making it. I might want to add something to mine. And this is all the ingredients. The thing that's a little bit different from this app is it doesn't actually show you your directions right there in the app. You have to click on this button at the bottom and it'll take you to an external website or whatever the recipe is on. So it's a little bit different, but hands down, like I said, this is the best app if you're trying to get your cook on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. I'm always trying to get better. So, leave your comments, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Hit me up, and we out.